So I have another short lesson on what is a regular polygon. So a regular polygon is essentially a convex polygon that is both equilateral and equiangular. So if you remember from our lesson earlier on, we determined what a convex polygon is using that rule of drawing a line across each line segment. And if you want to review that before you get to this video, you can do that. It's part of my geometry playlist, so you can find it very easily. So I'll draw an example of what that would be. So let's start with something like, let's try a pentagon. So that has 5 sides. Okay. So this here, in order for it to be a regular polygon, it would have to have equal angles. So equiangular. So let's say, so we're not measuring it now, but let's just hypothetically give it 30 degrees, 30 degrees, 30 degrees. I know it's not 30 degrees, but I'm just trying to get the point across. 30 degrees. And then also the sides would have to be equal. So let's call this 5, 5, 5, 5, and 5. And then if we use that rule that we learned earlier, when we draw a line across each line segment like this, it never crosses the inside of the polygon. And that's what makes it a regular polygon. So I hope that was clear. It's a bit confusing. I hope I made it very clear for you. If you liked the video, please like, comment, and subscribe.